In this video, I'll show you how to copy an AutoCAD drawing into a Microsoft Word document without exporting it as an image or PDF. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD and zoom into the exact area you want to copy, so everything is clearly visible. Once you're happy with the view, select the objects you want to include. After selecting them, press Ctrl and C, or right-click and choose Copy. Now open your Word document, click where you want to place the drawing, and press Ctrl and V to paste it. If the drawing doesn't fit perfectly on the page, simply select it in Word and use the crop or resize options to adjust its appearance. You can also move the drawing to any position on the page and resize it without affecting the original AutoCAD file. This method is perfect for creating reports, project documentation, or presentations quickly without going through the export process. That's all you need to copy your AutoCAD drawing into Word, the easy way. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tips, and thanks for watching.